kids! Welcome to e-learning for kids.
Wash your fruits before you eat. Make them clean and fresh and sweet. Apples, bananas, oranges too. Wash them well, it's good for you. Wash, wash, wash your fruits before you take a bite. Clean and shiny, fresh and bright. Healthy tummy, happy life. Splash some water, rub them slow. Make the little bubbles grow. Round and round we clean each one. Now our fruit is ready for fun. Wash, wash, wash your fruits before you eat them all. Big fruits, small fruits, short and tall. Clean fruits are best of all. Strawberries, grapes and juicy pears. Wash away the dirt with care. Give a smile and clap your hands. Healthy habits are super grand. Clean your fruits, 1, 2, 3. Healthy kids are happy and free. Every day remember this rule. Clean fruits make you strong and cool. Wash, wash, wash your fruits. Sing it loud and clear. Fresh and yummy, tasty too. Healthy fruits are good for you. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share,